See your favorite video playing right on your lock screen. Here's how to set. First, you'll need a free app from the App Store. I've added the app link in the description for quick access. Once it's installed, open the app. Now tap on Live Wallpaper. This will open your video library. Select any video you want to convert into a live wallpaper. Here's the important part. iPhones don't support full-length videos as live wallpapers, so Into Live will ask you to trim them. Just drag the sliders and select the 1 to 3 second portion you want. Choose the best moment from your video. Then tap Done at the top. Now you're in the editing screen. Here, you can add text, add stickers. Once you're happy with it, tap the export button at the top. This exports your video into a format your iPhone can use as a live wallpaper. Now open your Photos app. Find the live photo you just saved. At the bottom right, tap on Share. Look for the option Use as Wallpaper and click it. You'll see an option that lets you enable or disable the motion effect. Make sure it's enabled. This is what makes the wallpaper come alive. At the top right, tap on Add. Choose Set as Wallpaper option, and you're done. Now lock your phone and tap on the screen. Enjoy your brand new animated lock screen. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick tech tips.